The Factern open source project is all about metadata. Data about data, data about the entities that interact with that data, data about the rule sets that govern it, data about the actions that you might take, and data about how all of these elements might combine and evolve over time. Why is metadata important? Well, it's at the center of the creation of networks of service providers that want to collaborate around a common or overlapping data set. Today, privately owned data is stored in each and every one of the service providers or applications that we interact with, and this fragmentation causes big frictional costs, both for the service providers themselves, who have to duplicate effort in collecting, storing and maintaining that data, and also for us, the customers or data owners, whose digital profile is simply splintered across all of the different relationships that we hold. And furthermore, that fragmentation allows bad actors to exploit the weakest link in the ecosystem overall, bringing risk to everyone. Shared data layers address those issues by allowing one service provider to reference data held at another service provider with the explicit consent of the data owner involved. And metadata sits at the heart of all of that. The data model, the registry of actors, the scope of action, the permission models, the standards involved, all of these can be described in metadata. And of course, metadata tracks all of the activity that then occurs within that network. And that creates enormous transparency for liability management and risk transfer. The Factern open source project is all about ensuring that metadata is consistent, persistent, and accessible, while making sure that that metadata is treated as the highly valuable and privately owned data that it is, ensuring that it's held on a secure, permissioned, and decentralized basis. And by creating a common fabric for metadata management, Factern allows networks of service providers to implement shared data layers much more easily and quickly, regardless of the technology that they're using. It also allows existing networks to extend or connect much more efficiently. Factern supports cross-organizational collaboration without the need to share the actual data. It's all about the metadata.